Okay, so in this session, we are going to start the Hadoop installation on Ubuntu operating system, the VM which we created on our local machine. Okay, so we are going to set up the single node Hadoop setup. Basically, we have a single VM created with Ubuntu. So we'll create a single node Hadoop. Okay, Hadoop cluster, and it is going to contain, just to start with, we are going to contain a SDFS component, and then we are going to install the we are going to have the here SDFS component. Here we are going to configure name node process and data node. Yes, we setting a single node, so we want to set up all the master process as well as slave process in the single machine. Name node and secondary name node. All these three processes with respect to SDFS, we are going to configure in this machine. And then we also have a yarn component here. Yarn is nothing but yet another resource negotiator for the resource management and the scheduling, job scheduling. So here we are going to configure resource manager, and then the node manager. And anyway, this so it will come with MapReduce also. So MapReduce framework will be there, which will make use of Yarn for the job scheduling and job monitoring. So once we do the Hadoop setup, we are going to have all these things. Okay. So now what I'll do is I will start my VM, which I created yesterday. Okay, so I have a set of steps to be followed on this. So I will share this in the chat window. Please download it. I will also send in a mail, at least for just to follow up now. You can just check you are able to download this file. It's install underscore Apache underscore Hadoop underscore 3 underscore v1.0.txt. So this file has set of instruction to be followed to install Apache Hadoop. Okay, so the major or mandatory requirement for installing Hadoop is Java. Okay, because Hadoop is developed using a Hadoop framework is developed using a programming language called Java. So you need to install Java. Without Java, we cannot use Hadoop. Okay, so whether you need to have a Java expertise to work on Hadoop, not really. There are few places, yes, Java knowledge is needed, but it is not mandatory to work on all the components in Hadoop. So Hadoop has different components. Only the MapReduce components where you might need to work on Java, but you have alternative as well. You can write a MapReduce program using a Python, and then you can submit on the MapReduce framework and to run your job. That's way also possible. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is, let me check. Yeah, my VM is started. I'll just minimize this. I will open a utility called Putty. You are able to see my screen, right? So there is some, my icons got blurred, but you are able to see my screen?
Yes.
Yeah, we can see. Okay, thank you. Okay, so I'll open this. So, okay, so to connect my VM must actually would have generated the IP range. So if you want to check your IP here, you can run a command called ifconfig. So it generated IP address 192.168.27.6. So using that IP, I can connect from my local machine. So this is my IP address and my username is data making. That's what we set up yesterday. I'll just open this. Okay, I logged into my virtual machine. So basically, it's a Linux machine, which is of uh, flavor of Ubuntu. It's basically Ubuntu desktop operating system installed on this VM. Now, first step is to download the Java. If you're following up this, first we need to install this Java. So what you can do is you can just go to this URL. Uh, the Oracle website, we are going to install Oracle JDK. If you want to follow up OpenJDK, you can download the OpenJDK also. But make sure that you have Java 8 version. Either use Oracle Java or OpenJDK Java. Use Oracle 8 because the same version we are going to use it for Spark as well. So that's the reason. And all, if you see when you log into this URL, which is a Oracle JDK download page, if you want to download it, it will ask you to sign up. Basically, you should have account to download the JDK file. If you don't want to, create an account, I just put that file in my Google Drive and share this link as well. So you can just go to this link and download it. Let me download this. You can go to this Google Drive. It's around 136 MB of data. So do this. I have this file somewhere.
हम डॉक्टर किसी ये पक्की चे गोटे बुक पढ़थिले कि
Somehow it is taking time.
Hi, Paru, I have not received this link to download the JDK in the mail.
Not in a mail. I just put it in the
Chat.
our chat. There is a file called install Apache Hadoop.
Okay, okay.
So if you open the text file, you will see that link.
Oh, okay.
Let me know if you are already downloaded. I'll tell you the further steps. If somebody is following online, you can just somehow mine got stuck. Just be in the line. I'll just restart my machine. So it will just start in 2 minutes. I'll just restart my machine. It's very difficult to continue with this.